If you're having connection issues, one side, or no sound problem with your Tozo T10 TWS earbuds, doing a hard or factory reset can solve these issues. So we're going to show you how to take your earbuds back to factory defaults. Now first, it's recommended to turn off Bluetooth in the device your buds are currently paired to. Grab both the buds. Now press and hold on the touch surface for 5 seconds till you see red LED. After that, they will turn off. Now wait for a straight 10 seconds. Now take each bud separately, one after another, and then touch and hold them till you see this blinking blue LED. Release the buttons, wait for a moment, and they will connect with each other, and for a brief moment, you will see this purple light. And after that, they'll go into pairing mode with this blue and red LED in one of your buds. Go ahead and enable Bluetooth on your device, and from here, if you want, you can unpair and repair the buds again. So you can follow this process if you want to hard or factory reset your Tozo T10 earbuds. Thanks for watching.